Welcome guys back, and this is a complimentary video to the baby romper, where I would like to show you how to knit a romper that I'm going to use as a belt here, as you can see. So for the knitting iCord, you will need a yarn and double pointed needles. It works best, but of course you can use circular needles. Here I'm knitting in 2 strands of yarn, but it doesn't matter, you can knit in one, just in one, and double pointed needles. And a cord can be created using 2, 3, 4, 5 or more stitches. Here I'm using a long tail cast on and cast on 3 stitches. Now slide your stitches from one end of double pointed needle to another, and as you can see, your working yarn will be coming from the 3rd stitch cast on. Now knit 3, and now again slide from one end to another end, and again your yarn is coming from the back, from the last stitch, and again repeat knit 3. Like this. Slide to another side and repeat what you have done before. Knit 3. Like this. Slide and knit 3 again. And slide. So basically you repeat your iCord until you reach desired length. Knit 3 and slide to the other end. One, 2, 3, and slide. We'll do it a little bit faster and we'll show you how to finish an iCord. And that's how it looks. Already has a clear tube shape. Slide to the other end and knit 3 again. Now I would like to show you how to finish an iCord. So here I have 3 stitches and I knit 2 together, and then I knit 1. Slide to the other end and knit 2 together again. Like this. Then you cut the yarn, and at the end you can make a knot. Take the tail and yarn needle and hide this tail inside, so weave in end from one side and from another side, and you will have the same iCord. At the ends I've done knots. It looks more complete for me. So iCord can be used also as ties for hats. It's a very popular way how to do tights on baby hats. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for joining me, and if you want to make this beautiful baby romper, please check my blog for written pattern and video instructions. Thank you, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!